Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Take only what resonates. Bale, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Siya yung pwedeng magbigay ng personal reading. And kung gusto mo naman, pwede ka namang mag-avail ng aking binibentang bracelet, no, doon sa Piyaw bracelet, yung mga ganitong yan, mga pampaswerte. Ma-avail mo siya doon sa aking TikTok shop, and then may free siya na palm reading. So kung gusto mong makaranas ng free na palm reading, ay yan, kasama siya na itong pampaswerte. Crystals yan, guys, yung ginamit dyan. So anyway, let's start your reading. Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You do have here the Eight of Swords, Four of Pentacles, Page of Cups, and Six of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Page of Pentacles. For what I can see here, pwedeng ang focus mo kasi is pag-iipon, no? If for some of you, you could be stuck sa isang situation, and kaya hindi ka agad makagawa ng mga mabilisang actions. With the Page of Cups, napakabagal yan. And the Page of Pentacles, nakukuha natin yung may mga pinag-iisipan ka na either offer or pagkakagastusan, pero pagdating dito sa mga bagay na to, hindi mo agad maibigay yung basta agad yung mga naipon or savings, kasi yung iba sa inyo pwedeng medyo maliit or hindi sapat, or kung hindi man, pwedeng may pinaglalaanan itong iyong finances ngayon. And with the Six of Wands, I feel like nakukuha mo pa rin naman yung mga bagay na gusto mo, no? And pwedeng natututo ka na rin namang makontento sa kung ano yung mga nasa harapan mo ngayon. For some of you, pinaghirapan mo rin yun, ha? Kung ano man yung accomplishment, victory na meron ka ngayon, a lot of people sees you as someone na victorious, magaling, marami nang na-achieve, or nandun ka sa taas. But for you, hindi mo pa ito masyadong ina-acknowledge kasi it feels like parang hindi ka pa ganun ka-mature, or you want more than this, parang ganun. And although nandun ka sa top ngayon, hindi, yung iba sa inyo humble ka kasi masyado. Hindi mo rin masyadong tinitingnan na mataas yung sarili mo. Pero ang taas na ng tingin ng iba sa'yo. Yung iba sa inyo kasi, ang tinitignan mo yung pera, yung maybe financially hindi ka pa nakakaipon ng maganda. And but of course, hindi yun ang nakikita ng ibang tao sa'yo. Of course, they don't know kung magkano na ang pera mo, ang account mo, ang laman ng account mo. Hindi naman nila yun ang nakikita nila. Ang nakikita nila is kung ano yung narating mo. Okay? So, yeah. For some of you, pwedeng you look young. For your age, pwedeng bata talaga ang itsura mo, no? Or baby face, ganun. Pero okay lang kahit hindi. Anyway, punta tayo sa person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love. Person na connect mo pagdating sa love. We do have here the Two of Cups. Wait lang guys. Okay. Sorry about that. You do have here the Two of Cups. The Nine of Wands. Oh, this is the Death card and the Page of Pentacles. Five of Wands is at the bottom of the deck. Okay. I want to know kung ano yung meron sa connection. Gagamit ako ng ibang card. What is the connection all about? Pay attention to the red flags. Give your relationship a chance. For some of you, you could be in a relationship or may connection kayo nitong person na ito. But there's a lot of problems a lot of challenge na sa totoo lang, pwede nang ito yung maging dahilan para mag-end or marami nang nagiging dahilan para mag-end yung connection ninyo ng person na ito. Sa nakikita natin dito, financially, pwedeng ganon. Hindi siya ganon or hindi ganon kalaki yung offer niya sa'yo. I feel like hindi mo rin naiinteresan or how would I say this? Pwedeng kahit anong kaya niyang i-offer ngayon, for you, it's not enough. Nakikita mo yun na it's not enough. Hindi yun enough for you. And I feel like ito lang yung kayang i-offer nitong person na ito. So, nakakita tayo ng pag-aaway, kaguluhan. But, you keep on giving this person a chance. Pwedeng pinaghahanapan mo siya kasi kulang talaga Kulang talaga. I don't know, maybe the effort or financial stuff or things, material things na makikita mo sa kanya, kulang talaga It's not enough. Parang mas kaya mo pang abutin yung mga gusto mo on your own, sa sarili mo. Pero, kumpara sa mga kung ano lang yung kaya niyang i-offer sa'yo. And, I see that as a red flag already. No? Pero yun nga, you still give this person a chance. Kahit yung iba may relasyon na, yung iba wala. No? Pwedeng may gusto itong taong ito sa'yo or may nanliligaw, pwedeng ganon. Whatever the case is, ang nakikita natin, binibigyan mo siya ng chance. Kasi, actually, hindi ka naman choosy Pero pagdating dito sa part na kakulangan, nakikita mo na yung mga kakulangan niya na maybe, binibigyan mo siya ng chance kasi baka naman may mag-improve pa. You know? Pero kung sa totoo lang, kulang talaga yung mga nakikita mong effort at yung mga kaya niyang ibigay sa'yo. You feel like may kaya pa siyang ibigay na best. Hindi lang niya ginagawa. Kaya para sa'yo, sige, bigyan natin ng chance. Parang ganun. Kasi baka naman may maibigay pa siyang mas higit pa Diba? But anyway, there's this new love here. This is a new person. Hindi itong person na to. There's this new person. There's a possible chemistry sa inyong dalawa. This could be a soulmate or a twin flame connection. But, yung present moment ninyong dalawa, parang kailangan muna ninyong ma-experience talaga. So, etong new person na ito maaaring parating, pero kung nasaan ka man ngayon, kung sino man yung kakonect mo ngayon, parang kailangan mo muna siyang ma-experience bago mo ma-appreciate yung totoong taong para sa'yo. You know, kumbaga itong person na ito could be your karma, itong kakonect mo dito. Pwedeng siya yung karma mo. Pwedeng kailangan mo munang ma-realize kung ano yung mga wala sa kanya, meron sa kanya, yung mga, lesson itong situation sa inyong dalawa para ma-realize mo na mas kailangan mong mahalin ang sarili mo by giving what is best for you. And maaaring yung best, hindi mo nakikita yon dito sa taong kakonek mo ngayon. But you keep giving this person a chance. There's a possible soulmate connection na pwedeng mapunta pa sa we do have your wedding. So, this could be a relationship, marriage, or pagsasamang matiwasay. But all you have to do is to let go of control issues. So, paano mangyayari yun? Itong situation mo dito, you are stuck. Lalo na yung mga karelasyon mo na tong person na to. So, you are currently stuck sa isang situation wherein may mga issues na tinatry mong kontrolin, tinatry mong ayusin as much as possible. May mga pag-aaway talaga dito na natutugunan or naaayos din, nagkakaroon ng new beginning because of this love na nararamdaman. Ang energy is that you're loving this person, pero you're not loving yourself enough. Kasi kung mahal mo ang sarili mo, hindi mo hahayaan na tratuhin ka ng ganito, na isettle mo ang sarili mo sa ganito lang na tao. You deserve more. You deserve the best for you. And for what I can see here, this is not the best for you. Hindi siya yung best para sa'yo. There's someone else na mas best para sa'yo. Pero hindi ka makawala dito sa taong to. What is your emotions towards this person? Wait lang guys. I will not take this. Yeah. For some of you, you could be dealing with the twin flame. Hindi ko yun kinuha kasi I feel like hindi lang maayos yung card. So, inayos ko muna siya and I need to shuffle the cards first. Ayan. Okay, what is your emotions towards this person? You do have your separation, ascending. Gusto talaga niya magpakita The Grim Reaper. Ito na yung kanina I feel like yung emotion mo towards this person is you are unsure of the future. Hindi ka sigurado sa future ninyo There's this energy na once na kumawala ka na dito sa person na ito, there's no turning back. No? As much as possible, binibigyan mo siya ng chance kasi hanggat kaya mo. Pero once na hindi mo na talaga kaya, I see an energy of you getting out of the situation, getting out of the relationship. And for sure, hindi na para maayos pa. There's no second chance. There's this twin flame na pwedeng you really do love this person pero tinatanggi mo. For some of you, may ganun May isa pang person na mahal mo pero tinatanggi mo. And nakafocus ka sa kanya pero alam mo yung katulad ng sa cellphone, di ba? This is camera right here. You keep on thinking about this person, pero tinatry mong tanggalin yung focus. Kumbaga sa camera, nag-auto-focus. Na ang focus is dito sa person na to, could be a twin flame connection, pero tinatry mong, di ba once na nag-video ka, nag-auto-focus and I feel like nag-auto-focus or napunta yung focus dun sa person in the past which is a twin flame. Pero tinatry mong pindutin sa ibang location para doon mag-focus. Pero hindi nag-auto-focus talaga dito And yung ibang location na tinutukoy ko or ibang person, this could be the person. Tinatry mong mag-focus sa kanya. Pero yung subconscious mind mo, yung spirit guides mo, yung soul mo mismo, yun na yung nag-auto-focus dito sa past, which is your person. And maybe you feel like yung past person is there's no more chance between the two of you. So, bakit pa ako magpo-focus dyan? Wala na kaming chance niyan. That's the energy. But anyway, with the energy here sa person mo, pwedeng yung iba nagkakaroon na ng separation or nagkaroon na ng separation pero iniwasan ninyo yon. Kumbaga, hindi mo tinuloy yung separation na yon. And then, binigyan mo na naman ng another chance. You know? Punta tayo sa person na ito. Ay, ito pala yung card na gagamitin ko. Ano yung emotions niya towards you? Yeah, I told you, this could be your karma. You do have your karmic relationship. Both is here. Cupid's arrow. Bottom of the deck is the healthy choices. Wait lang guys, inom lang ako. So for what I can see here, like what I've told you, ito yung malaking lesson sa buhay mo. This is your karmic relationship. You could be dealing with your karma. Pero ang hirap niyang i-let go. Yung emotion niya for you is that mas nakukuha ko yung word dito na word na need. Kailangan ka niya. So, ang energy is that nandyan siya, hindi siya umaalis kasi kailangan ka niya. And maybe kailangan mo rin tong person na to. Yung nafe-feel mo na parang kailangan ko rin siya eh. Maybe because of children or kung sino man or ano man yung meron dito sa connection na to kung bakit parang ang hirap bitawan. Especially, ang dami ko nakitang page. So, page sa tarot deck could also signify children. So, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, 3 page yung nagpakita sa akin. So, maybe 3. Yeah, 3. I saw 3 pages here. So, pwedeng yon. And this is the person that you need. This is the person that needs you. Baliktad pala, no? Kailangan ka niya. Or maybe kailangan mo rin siya because of children. Yun yung nasa isip mo. I don't know if you do have 3 kids, but high chance for some of you meron. And with the Cupid's arrow, itong person na ito, I feel like tinamaan na rin naman siya sa'yo. Pwedeng yung mga nangyari sa inyo, kung maybe in the past, back in the days wherein nagkakilala kayo, biglaan, nakikita ko yung energy ng biglaan, pero tinamaan na rin siya. Alam mo yun, tinamaan na rin siya sa'yo. Natutunan niyang mahalin ka. Sabihin na natin ganun. No, although biglaan, nakita niya na nasa iyo yung mga kailangan niya. Okay? And you do have here at the bottom of the deck na syempre kung ano yung makakapagpasaya sa kanya, kung ano yung choice na dapat or healthy para sa kanya, yun yung ginawa niya. Like nakikita kanya na healthy para sa kanya kasi you have everything na kailangan niya or gusto niya. Um, Pwedeng nakita niya yung third party or third person na may gusto sa'yo. It feels like alam niya yon or may idea siya tungkol doon. But sa ngayon nakikita niya natatapos na yung pattern or kung ano man meron sa inyo ni past na yon. And yeah, the coffin is here. The golden mirror. Mas nagiging masaya siya ngayon sa nangyayari. Because nakikita niya mas nagiging happier yung relationship or yung connection ninyo kasi wala na yung isa. Feeling niya hindi na babalik yung isa. Or wala nang chance na bumalik yung isa. So what will happen in the future for the both of you? What will happen in the near future for the both of you? Seven of Cups. Justice card. The Eight of Pentacles. Okay. Ten of Cups, the Six of Wands, this is the Judgment. Oh, sorry, this is the Lovers. Seven of Pentacles is here. In the near future for the both of you. Religious factor. Healing family issues. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the make the effort. Meron ako nakukuha talagang third person and gusto kong makuha yung energy din nun bago ko sabihin yung future. Gagamit ako ng ibang deck for the third person. For the third person. For the third person. Nine of Pentacles, the Two of Cups. Seven of Pentacles and the Hierophant. Bottom of the deck is the Six of Wands. I can see marriage actually in the near future. Or a relationship na may masasaktan. You know, there could be a marriage here, pero may isang masasaktan. The Eight of Pentacles. I can see you being this person na magfo-focus sa career, sa work, sa studies if you're studying. So, nandun yung focus mo, no? Making yourself the better version of you. And I can see you being successful. The Seven of Cups, um, nakakuha ko dito ng ano eh, you have a lot of things to offer. Marami kang kayang i-offer in the future. And I can see someone here. And Seven of Pentacles kasi, actually pagdating sa dito muna tayo ha, sa person na ito, present person mo, kahit anong gawin niyang effort, no? Iba pa rin yun sa'yo, mas lamang pa rin yun sa'yo, yung kaya mong i-offer in the future. Pero yung person na ito, kahit papano, nakakatulong in the future sa'yo. Kung paano mo makukuha yung success mo, pwedeng malaki rin naman yung maitutulong niya. I can see victory sa connection ninyo ng karmic or this present person. Manonotice kayo ng maraming tao. Manonotice nila in a way na marami kayong ma-accomplish together. There's this lover's energy, so a relationship, a happy family for some of you. Kung ano man yung mga family issues ninyo, nag-heal or nagiging okay. I can see complete forgiveness kung ano man ang nangyari sa past na hindi maganda. There's complete forgiveness. And maraming mai-impluwensyahan ka nitong person nito in the near future to, you know, be more spiritual, be more traditional. Yung iba may pagbabalik sa pwedeng sa pagsisimba, kung ano man religion mo. I can see this connection na kung may marriage na involved sa inyo, mas napapagtibay yung relationship, yung marriage, because of making God the center of your relationship or your connection. So okay, 'di ba? Okay sa future. Okay sa near future. But there's this offer with the Nine of Pentacles of relationship mula dito sa taong to. This new person, the soulmate connection. I see this as a soulmate connection. May offer siya in the near future. And possible then na yung offer na yon could lead into a partnership, a very meaningful partnership. The Seven of Pentacles is here. And the way I see this, itatry niyang tapatan yung kayang i-offer ni present mo or kayang gawin ni present mo. Itatry niyang tapatan na kaya ko rin yan. In the near future, may panglalaban dito sa person nito, like may panggagaya na nagagawin doon sa present person mo kasi feeling niya kaya mo gusto si present person mo dahil sa ganito, ganyan. Tatry niyang tapatan yon or higitan pa. And papatunayan niya sa iyon. The Hierophant is here. This person is very religious din eh. Religious person, traditional person. But makikita mo yung pagkapantay ng energy ni karmic at ni soulmate in the near future. Medyo mahirap to because I feel like you do have choices in the near future na medyo mahirap. You cannot let go of your karmic you cannot let go of your soulmate at the same time in the near future. Pero hindi ko sinasabing parehong may relasyon. It's just that in the future, hindi ko nakikitang malilet go mo si karmic, malilet go mo si soulmate, mahirap. And what will happen in the near future? Yeah, mask is here because some of you, kaya nagiging mahirap magawa ng decision, it is because someone here is not showing his or her true feelings. No? May pagpe-pretend na ginagawa. And you do have here girl talk, but I can see communication. The golden mirror is here. Communication, but yung dun sa dalawang yon, one of them is being narcissist. And a high chance na ang nagiging narcissist dun is the karmic. Okay? Parang hindi nagmo-move yung relationship sa mas better or mas nagiging matagal yung success mo because of this person. Ganong klaseng energy. What is the advice? What is the advice? Okay, the advice for you is the girl with the snake. So, ito yung narcissist energy. What is the advice towards that? Acts. Breakup, separation, stop the pattern, silent treatment. Silent treatment and abandonment. Bakit? Kasi kailangan mong mamili, kailangan mong piliin mo yung healthy para sa'yo. And yeah, coffin. Endings brings new beginning. You deserve your soulmate. You deserve your twin flame. And dadating siya sa buhay mo to change your life, to make you better, more better. Kung ano ka pa ngayon, may mas ibe-better ka pa. But you have to stop what is making this boundaries or nagpapahirap sa connection ninyo nitong bagong person mo. Like, a new person is coming and patingurado sa new person na yon, may mas patutunguhan ka pa. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.